Baseball, America's favorite pastime. They made the game, they hold the most prestigious league, but with Japan winning the past WBC, the world has seen how much of a baseball nation Japan is. One of the important factors of baseballs is its stadiums, the place where all the magic happens. So today, we'll be exploring some key differences between Japanese and American ballparks. In order to do so, first, I had to say goodbye to Japan for a bit. The ballpark I chose to visit was Busch Stadium. Opened in 2006, the park is home to the St. Louis Cardinals. The Cardinals were playing the Angels, and I was hoping to see Shohei Ohtani, who is arguably the best baseball player to ever walk this earth. But unfortunately, we didn't get to see him this game. Let's start by looking at what even people who aren't fans of baseball care about: the food. Food stands are everywhere in US ballparks. Pretzels, hot dogs, pizzas, nachos. The true American baseball experience can be found at every corner, with unique smells from each vendor trying to convince you to stop by. I ordered this bacon-wrapped hot dog covered in salsa, beans, pickles, and fried onions. If this doesn't scream American baseball, I don't know what will. It was finally time for the game to begin, and immediately the Angels lead 4-0. It seemed like an action-packed game was ahead of us, but the match slowed down past the first inning. I didn't get to see Shohei Ohtani, but I did get to see another one of my favorites, Lars Nootbaar, run around the outfield as he always does. One thing you immediately notice about American ballparks is that it's quiet. You don't hear much noise outside of the occasional sounds of the stadium, people talking, and the crack of the bat. Just take a listen here. Something really cool happened while I was watching the game. My dear friend Natalie put up a welcome back message on the screen of Busch Stadium with my name on it. Appreciated the thoughtful gesture, Nat. Thanks again for doing it. And just like that, the game is over. Angels win 5-2. Overall, American ballparks are great to go with friends, laugh, have fun, and just overall enjoy the atmosphere. We are now back in Japan. Let's go see what ballpark awaits us here. Here it is, one of my favorite stadiums of all time, Kyocera Dome. Located in Osaka, the stadium is home to the Oryx Buffaloes, who were the Japan Series winners last season. Stadium food is a little different here. You get your assortment of ballpark staples like hot dogs and popcorn, but you also get a Japanese twist to the menu, like bento boxes, fried chicken, and rice balls. I chose this amazing bento box that came with fried fish, pork stir-fried in ginger, along with cooked vegetables and rice. Would you believe it if I said this cost about half the price of the hot dog I showed you earlier? The game is just about to start and the stadium is alive. Japanese teams have bands that lead the fans with their drums and trumpets. Each player gets individual songs that the fans can sing and cheer to. Even though it was a weekday game with relatively low attendance, the band still ran strong, giving the stadium an ever vibrant atmosphere. Here, take a listen. Japanese ballparks are ideal if you really want to focus on the game, as they do a great job immersing you as a fan into cheering for your team wholeheartedly, singing along to the songs, and focusing on each pitch. The stadium is loud and active. If you like events that feel like a music festival, well, Japanese baseball may be the thing for you. I hope you enjoyed my comparison of Japanese and American ballparks. Through all this, I learned that both have their strengths, but at the end of the day, baseball is baseball. The ball flies and the bat swings true. Anyway, you can watch me absolutely crush this ball as we close. Thanks for watching. Till next time.